Hey everyone, I'm putting together this My First Trampoline, and I follow the instructions like to a T because I'm not very good at this stuff. So just about done. I was doing the enclosure and I noticed that these arches, the top of the arch was facing out instead of in like all the pictures show. And this enclosure netting was way too tight. Biggest thing up around, I would get these screws lined up, these holes lined up. They'd be lined up just about right, and these ones would be way off. And then I noticed, like I said, that the arch was pointing out instead of in. And what I had to do was, so far I'm 4 for 6. I've had to, out of 4 out of 6, I've had to take out this long bolt and rotate this pipe 180 degrees, and now everything's lining up perfectly, and the arches are now pointing in instead of out. And the directions do not indicate that this bottom pipe is directional, that the hole has to be facing a certain direction. So I don't know how you prevent it. The holes seem to be the same shape and same size, but at least you know where to look. These bottom pipes are the problem.